Okay, today I'll be installing these right angle gusset brackets on my CNC frame. I'll be replacing these right angle brackets. This was suggested by Chris, a YouTuber on I Made This, who suggested I use these gusset types for more rigidity and strength on my frame. Check out his channel, I Made This. He's got a lot of good advice on CNC and CAD and CAM and guitar making. So there you go. I'll get back to you. Okay, well, got them installed. Wasn't that bad. Super strong. Everything's squared up. Got a few left over. I'm going to put on the bottom. But I don't have the hardware for that. So, getting closer day by day. Next we'll be getting my spindle set up. It's my VFD. And that's a whole other adventure. So thanks for watching.